Hey folks, Wolf Pilot here. So as I interject and massive queue emptying, dumping out video footage, I wanted to do a quick intro to this video. It'll be leading up to a few more videos, all having to do with mechanical issues with 44 Tango, specifically with the magneto. So anyway, in this video I was about to fly up to Sherman, get gas, then go down to Meacham Field and hang out with Caitlin and Bill Goebel and work on the Hollywood Bomber. But as you can see, things did not go to plan. I'm going to fly up to Sherman and get gas. This thing does not have much gas in it, 22 gallons. I dipped let's see, the fuel flow FS450 is telling me I have 27 gallons. It's not even close to being right because I only measured 22. So we are going to go up to Sherman, get some gas, and then go down to Meacham Field and hang out with Caitlin and see Bill and the crew and see what's going on with the Hollywood Bomber. And that will be our plan for today. So with that, I am ready to initiate a start sequence on this airplane. I also need to lock my vehicle. Hangar is closed and locked. Let's see. Initiator or master switch, batteries off. Initiator switch on both. Battery plus alternator. Good brakes. Clear, bro. One, two, 1, 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully we have audio going there. Blow this down here a little bit. Probably lean for taxi. Let's see what we got going on here. My oil's at 81 already. There's absolutely no reason to dilly-dally the hell around, so oil temperature's greater than 80 Fahrenheit. We're good to go. All right, let's move over off of this area. Turning my wings.
Regional. Your Lima southeast will be to the airport.
Huh, what the hell is that guy doing in his twin? Wow, holy crap, that dude is friggin' low. Wow, dear sweet Jesus, that guy is low.
Dallas Airport, GUC 139 Mike.
Airpark traffic, red, white, blue Skylark over by the hangars. Light twin, are you up?
Yeah, we're just turning left base for 16.
All right, I got you. I was trying to figure out what you were doing.
Took a little while to find the airport.
Don't feel bad. I'm hanging here. It's easy to miss.
Northwest Regional, Skywagon 889 Sierra Lima is a beam midfield at 1,500 feet on the east side. We'll be crossing to the west, further north.
Ooh, bouncy. Ooh, bouncy bounce.
Yep, on the go, 8139 Mike.
I take it that was not intentional.
Negative. All three gear looked like they were down, correct? I got a green light.
This time.
Yes, all three gears look down and locked.
Got a little wobble there. Gave up on it.
Hey, you are never, ever wrong to go around.
I like that.
My CFI beat that into my skull, and I shall take it to the grave with me.
Yeah, it's better. It's better than running off the end.
yeah, this runway isn't exactly very long. All right, well, let's do some stuff. We're waiting for him. Check my flight controls here appear to be free and correct.
And left base into a final for 16, Airport. Dallas Airport.
4.25. IFR clearance for vehicle flight following. Contact ground control on 121.6. All IFR departures advised how you are IFR. Advised on this contact. You have information, Juliet. Addison Airport information, Juliet. Time 1647 Zulu. Wind 13 at 6. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature tree 0. 2.17. Altimeter 2990. Visual approach. Landing runway 16 use. All vehicle arrivals Addison. Contact regional approach on 124.25. IFR clearance for vehicle flight following. Contact ground control on 121.
There's always a second try.
Oh, that was beautiful. Usually third time is the charm.
Yep.
All right, fuel select.
And Airport East, 813 on my back taxiing. Runway to,
Fuel select valves, both mixture of the trim. Here.
Top watch traffic, Skywagon 89 Sierra Lima 5 to the east will be crossing midfield to join it downwind.
Oh, that ain't good.
Sierra Country traffic, Archer 614 is upwind departing to the southeast, Sierra Country.
That ain't good at all. I've got a dead friggin' magneto. Well, it doesn't look like I'm going to be leaving the airport after all. I've got a dead magneto.
that's why you got two, isn't it?
This is only the second time in this airplane.
Yeah, one of them days.
Shit. I would say that mag is deader than a doornail. The question would be why? Well, shit. That's a waste of time. Well, so much for that. And that could also be so much for me flying to Wisconsin. Dead frickin' magneto. What the hell? Right mag, dead. Alright, well, I'm going to stop this right here. This is why we do run-ups. I hate to think I would have been out flying around and had that sucker drop out on me.